Today on GeorgeCo Garage, we're looking at hard water marks. So stains in your clear coat. We have particularly hard water here. The way we want to attack this, we've cleaned the panel. We want to try the least aggressive process first. So I'm going to start with a really fine polish and see if they'll just lift out with that before we try to go and actually compound and correct. So let's see if that works. Spread it on. Set it on low. It's hard to do this one-handed, but spread it evenly. So we just finished polishing on 4, now we're wiped off. And see if in fact it's gone.
So at the end of the day yesterday I ran out of light and I didn't get a chance to follow up with the after, but we can see it today. That worked out really nicely. There were water spots here, all through here. It's all gone. And that's with Meguiar's consumer product. That's not even the pro stuff. I'd say that's a pretty good result.